Hello, let's start to work on the Pokemon project. So it's time to create a new project in App Inventor. So we can call it like Pokemon Go. Don't forget the underscores. Okay, well, the first step is to create the background in the first screen. Okay, so let me show you the screen. So the screen is can be used with Canva, image sprites, ball, orientation sensor, and image sprites. I don't know if I have already said it, but let's start with vertical arrangement. You can set up the width difference. Yeah, the Canva, which will be the map. Also set it up, set the width to fit parents. And now it's time to put the image. So you are going to upload the image. So background image, upload, and let's find the map folder. Map. I don't know where to put my head. Sorry. So the map is uploading. Okay. So it's time to have a better settings. Okay, so you can rename the Canva, new name, map. Okay, now you can add a ball, just drag and drop. You can set up its color and its radius. Maybe it's too big, so you can say 15 or even 10, sorry. Okay, now we can add Pokemons, one on the arena, one here in place, and one here on the other place. So I'm going to set up, so you can add the, you can rename it, you can say here Draculus, for example, which is a very good Pokemon, and we are going to, well, upload its image. So you can choose Draculus. Okay, its size is 2 centimeters, so it's not very big. And the size of the Canva here, I saved the image, what I wrote, with a size of 360 times 640, which is quite. I have a 1+1, so it fits. Okay, so it's done for the moment. So the idea is to move the ball with the orientation sensors. So you can add orientation sensor, which appears here at the bottom. It's an invisible component. So when you move the Let me show you. When you move the screen, the ball is going up and down, up. Okay, it's very difficult to show you it. Let's start to program it. Let me show you the program. Okay, first we are going to write all this stuff. So this is the box for the our attention sensor, and this is a procedure to move the ball. Okay, so when you move your phone, the ball must move as well. So you must write this box and this box. This box is dedicated to the case of when the ball reach the edge of the smartphone, so it must bounce against it. And these three boxes are dedicated to the moment where when the ball is colliding the Pokemon. So you must open a new screen and okay, go further in the application. Okay. So for example, when you collide with Dracolos or Magma or Aquali, you have to stop the ball, so you have to set its speed to 0. You have to make the Pokemon invisible, and you have to put the ball at the same place where it started. Okay, and you have to disable the orientation sensor as well. And you have to open, we cannot see it very well here, but you have to open another screen. Okay, so we are going to try to do it now. So you have to go to the block editor here, and you have to write a procedure first. The procedure can be called move, and move is set Pokemon heading towards angle and set Pokemon speed to. I need to just set Pokemon heading to. Just no Pokeball heading. Okay, let's rename it Pokeball to fit. So set Pokeball heading to what was a block to our attention sensor angle. And set Pokeball speed to, okay, we need a math block multiplication, our attention sensor magnitude times download depending on the speed you would like to affect. So times 3 or times 2, never mind. Okay, so to move you have to, okay, when the orientation sensor change, it means when you move your phone, okay, you have to call this procedure, and the ball will move all across the screen, right? So call procedure, call move, and this will make the ball move. Now let's set up the edge. It's very easy. I don't understand exactly what it means, but when it collides with the edge, it must bounce. So call Pokeball bounce edge, get edge with the variable. Okay, and this block means, okay, when the ball is colliding the edge, it must bounce, okay, and go in the other direction. Or follow the edge, it depends. Okay, now let's set up the collision with the Dracolos. So when Draculus collide with other will be the ball. Okay, so the block is here. So you must stop the speed, stop the Pokeball, make it invisible, and set up the. Okay, so set up the Pokeball speed to 0. Okay, now you have to make the Pokemon invisible. Okay, you have to put the ball. Okay, set up Pokeball X. Okay, so you have to find the coordinates here. So the Pokeball here is at 1, 8, and 265. So we do something. Okay, to make the ball come at the starting point. And what is missing? Okay, you have to set up the retention to 5 and open a new screen. So retention set, retention enable to false, and open a new screen. So to open a new screen, you must add one, so the screen can be named Draculus. Okay. Normally it should appear, yes. Okay, so let's back to this first screen. And open a new screen. You can find it in control, open another screen, and you can use text to set up the name of the new screen, which is called Draculus Upcase. Okay, what is missing? Nothing else. I think we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Okay, let's check out the settings. So the screen. You can set up his name here. You can call the app Pokemon Go, and you can set up the screen rotation to portrait. You can add the icon of your app. So the icon can be this one, Pokeball. And well, what else? Background. I think it's okay. You can align, center everything. The map. What else with the map? Nothing else. Everything's okay. Pokeball. It's okay. And sprites. So I did the job for Draculus. You can do the job for the other Pokemons you would like to add to the screen, to the map, okay?